Right. Please write all these notes into your books, especially the example we're going to model. The steps are similar to last week. If you weren't here, please write these steps. If you were here, it's optional. So let's begin. Make y the subject, which means get y on its own. Now, what we're going to do is solve using BIDMAS backwards. So, step 1, we think that's a plus x, so we will minus x from both sides. When we do that, our next equation, our next line is z minus x equals 1 over y. Now, if you read this step, remove the fraction by doing the opposite. So, if we want to remove the fraction, the opposite of removing the fraction is multiplying by y. So we must do that on both sides. This gives us the equation y times z minus x equals 1. Now, I do want to stress that what we've just written on this side is factor form. And I'm going to be coming back to that again and again in the next couple of weeks. So we have it in factor form. Y is being times by z minus x. Think about it, guys. If we want y on its own, we must divide by z minus x. We do that on both sides. And that gives us y on its own. So finally we can write down y equals 1 divided by, so I'll write this as a fraction, z minus x. Done. Stop.